In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install JumpCloud Agent on Windows. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your JumpCloud admin portal. Make sure you're using an account with the appropriate administrative access so you can add and manage devices without any issues. Once you're signed in, you'll be working from the admin dashboard. From there, navigate to Device Management and then select Devices. This is the area where you can view existing systems already connected to JumpCloud and begin adding a new Windows machine. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct section before moving on, because the next steps depend on starting from the Device Management page. Next, click the plus device button. When the device options appear, choose the Windows tab. This tells JumpCloud that you're preparing to enroll a Windows computer, and it will present the installation method designed for that operating system. Be sure to select the correct tab here, especially if you manage multiple platforms in the same environment. After that, choose the option to install via MSI download. This method is helpful when you want to manually install the agent on a Windows machine using the official installer package. Once you select it, click Download Windows Agent. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file, typically named something like the signed JumpCloud Agent MSI package. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go directly to your Downloads folder or ask you where you want to save it. Before running the installer, go back to the portal and copy the connect key shown on the screen. This key is important because it links the Windows device to your JumpCloud organization during setup. Make sure you copy it carefully so it's ready to paste when needed. Since this is sensitive setup information, avoid sharing it or leaving it visible unnecessarily. Now locate the downloaded file and run the jcagent MSI signed MSI installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, approve the prompt so the setup can continue. The installation wizard will open and guide you through the process. Follow the prompts on screen, and when you're asked for the connect key, paste in the key you copied from the JumpCloud portal. Continue through the wizard until the installation completes. Once finished, the agent should begin connecting the device to JumpCloud. If everything was entered correctly, the Windows computer will register with your organization and become manageable through the admin portal. If the device doesn't appear right away, give it a few moments and then refresh the devices page to check its status. That's it, you've successfully installed the JumpCloud agent on Windows.